And now to the electric grid. SoCal Edison is warning it may cut service to hundreds of thousands of customers. And KCAL News reporter Nicole Comstock is live in Laverne to continue our team coverage. Nicole.
Pat, SoCal Edison tells us they only turn people's power off as a last resort because they know it's always a hardship for families. But given how dry some people's yards are this year in the hills behind their home, they're telling us they were expecting to see widespread power outage warnings like this. As the sun sets behind power lines towering over the San Gabriel Mountains, a warning is on the horizon. Damaging Santa Ana winds are on the way, prompting one of the most widespread power shutoff notices we've recently seen here in SoCal.
I feel like it's going to be kind of scary because we haven't really experienced that over here.
This San Dimas family, one of many who don't normally pop up on an outage watch list to prevent windblown fires because they're south of the 210 freeway, not right in the foothills.
We haven't had rain, and our backyard is definitely, dry. So I would be concerned if they didn't, turn the power off.
Come Tuesday, SoCal Edison may de-energize power lines to over 409,000 local homes. That's 124,000 homes in Riverside County, 115,000 in LA County, 89,000 in Ventura County, 67,000 in San Bernardino County, and 14,000 in Orange County.
We have notified an unusually large number of customers that they are in scope for a public safety power shutoff because very local conditions demand it. We're looking at very dry potential fuel combined with wind gusts that can cause a hazard.
Back in January of 2022, a different powerful windstorm took down 300 trees in a single night in Claremont, falling on houses and crushing cars. Edison says they're monitoring hundreds of weather station cameras during this wind event to watch for any flying branches that could hit power lines and potentially spark this year's extra dry fuel.
Bottom line is you got to be very careful with fires.
David Skipper lives in the hills. He's not surprised to find his home in the outage warning area.
If they know it's going to get really bad and they're worried about the lines, the falling and sparking fires, I can see why they do it.
And SoCal Edison says anytime they turn off the power to people's homes, they have to get a ground crew out there to visually inspect the area and make sure it's safe to re-energize those power lines. They say if you do see a downed power line, stay at least 100 feet away from it and call 911 to report it immediately. Reporting in Laverne, Nicole Comstock, KCAL News.
Thanks so much, Nicole. And